Assembly language of 8086 has something known as procedures, which is same as function, like it serves the same purpose as function in any other programming language. So let's take a look at my data segment. It has two string variables named message1 and message2. We are going to print it by calling a procedure. So let's go ahead. So first I'll make a procedure named PriM. So that's the syntax of declaring a procedure. Then I want to print something that's present in my DX register. The contents present in my DX register has to be printed. So for that I'll be using the function 09 of interrupt21. Now, as any other function, we need to write a return statement, RET, after which it returns to the line from where it was called. So RET is the return statement here. And lastly, we need to end our procedure. So for ending, it's end P, end procedure is the keyword we use here. And this is my end of the code. So I'll just write an end here. Now in this part of the code segment, when I've already made a procedure named PriM, I would like to load the effective address of my message1 into DX. So it's done, and if I call my procedure PriM, this is how you call a procedure, call and the name of the procedure, that's PriM here. So if I call PriM, it will print the string that's present in DX. Second time, if I do the same thing like le8dx comma message2 and again call PriM, it will now print message2. This is how we can pass parameters to our procedures. Like dx acts as a parameter. Whenever we change dx and call back the function, we can see the changes. So lastly, we would like to terminate our program using the 4c function of our interrupt21. And that's it. So let's go ahead and run this code. So we'll assemble it, 0 errors, let's link it, and finally debug it. G. Yeah, so you can now see the output of our code. The link for the code is in the description below. Do check it out, and thanks for watching.